This video will demonstrate how to create smart contact lists. Smart contact lists differ from normal contact lists in that they are dynamic and run a query to return a set of contacts based on criteria that you establish, whereas normal contact lists are static and not dynamic and only change when you add or remove someone from the list. To create a smart contact list, right-click on the project contacts and select Create New Smart List. In the New Smart List box, you will type in the display name for your smart list. In this case, we want to create a list that will return Ohio minority plumbers. Once we enter the display name, we will select the attributes on which we want to filter. So we will select the state and province, the construction codes, and the MBE, minority businesses. We'll then come over to the state and province, and we're going to click on the ... to select Ohio. We'll scroll down until we find Ohio, select it, and it will show up in our filter view. We also want to type in the first letters OH, just in case something was entered as OH and not the full word Ohio. So we type in OH and click Add, and then we can look down below in our list filter view. We'll display state and provinces that begin with Ohio or OH. We now can move on to the construction codes, and we will change the filter value there. Click on the ... button. And to select our plumbers, we're going to select those with construction codes that are 154, that begin with 154. Once we find those, we will select them, and they will be added to the list filter view. Then we click OK, and they have been added. The last thing then is to set our minority business enterprise to yes, and click OK, and then we can see what the smart list filter will return. Any state or province that begins with OH, and those construction codes and MBE equals yes. Click OK, and you can see our new smart list over here to the left has returned 3 contacts whose criteria matches the filters that we set: state and province, construction codes, and MBE equals yes. So that is how you can create smart contact lists which are dynamic in nature.